Good morning, fifth graders. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. Today we are going to be starting a memory book for fifth grade. So we're going to be using PowerPoint or Book Creator. I'm going to do my example in PowerPoint. Since you guys are pretty good with Book Creator, you probably won't need help with how to use that. But PowerPoint can be a little bit tricky in some places, so I'm going to make my example in PowerPoint. But again, you have the option to create this memory book in PowerPoint or Book Creator. For today, or this week rather, we are going to be completing a cover page of our memory book. And the first page, which is Happy New Year, is going to be our first page. So go ahead and finish watching this video, and then you will get to create your own. So I'm going to go into PowerPoint, and it should give me an option on oh wait, not now, there we go. It's going to give me an option of a style or a design. I can pick a blank presentation, or I can look through here and I can pick any of these designs that I like. Actually, I kind of like these purpley blue ones, so I'm going to pick that one. All right, so this first one is going to be my cover page. For my cover page, it's going to be a little bit simple. You are welcome to add more things on later, but as of right now, this is what we're going to be putting on our first cover page. So it says double tap to add title, so I'm going to double tap, and now I can type my title. So I'm going to title it Fifth Grade Memory. It's not really a book, but we're still going to call it a book. And it says double tap to add subtitles. I'm going to double tap down there, and I'm going to put my name, Laura Vanderschaft. There we go. All right, so fifth grade memory book. Now, I could take a minute. I could add a picture of myself. I could add a picture of something right now, but this is the only requirement for that cover of your memory book, fifth grade memory book, and then your name. Now, on PowerPoint, in order to add a new slide, I'm going to look in the top left-hand corner, and there is a little button that has a slide and then a plus sign. I'm going to press that button right there. It's going to add a new slide. This is nice because it actually gives me the text boxes already. But let's say I wanted to look at something else. I wanted to look at a different layout. If I click that slide right next to the plus sign, I can see these different layouts. And I'm actually going to go ahead and do this one right here that says comparison. Comparison. So we're going to type our title for this one. You can choose whatever you want, but this one actually works better because my title is Happy New Year 2021. Oops. Cannot believe it's 2021. I remember when it turned year 2000. What? All right. So, and up here on the top, I'm going to press this button and I'm going to click Center Align because I want my Happy New Year to be centered. Now, we have two different things we're going to be writing about today. This first one is going to be traditions. And this second one over here is going to be resolution. Resolution. Okay, so this first one, traditions, this is what did you do, basic what did you do on New Year's this year. So for this, I do want you to type 3 sentences. So remember, we want to start with a capital letter, we want to have a subject, a verb, and a period at the end. So we want 3 sentences on traditions. So I'm going to say, this year, I went to my Grammy's house for New Year's. We played dominoes and had tacos for dinner. We left early so we could watch all the fireworks from our house. All right, so this is what I did this year for New Year's. When I was a kid, we used to wait for New Year's and we'd go outside and bang pots and pans with spoons and pitchforks and stuff like that and scream as loud as we could, Happy New Year. But we did not bang pots and pans this year. We went to Grandma's house. All right, next one is going to be a resolution. So what is that resolution? So this is a goal for the new year. So this year, I am going to what? What are you going to do? Maybe you're going to read a series of books. Maybe you're going to try to do 25 push-ups in a row. So what are those New Year's resolutions? This year, I'm going to declutter my house. Oh, that's not the right word. Declutter my house because I'm too messy. Because I want to have more room in my closets for other things. I'm a little bit messy. So this resolution part, you're going to say what is your goal and why is that your goal. Okay, now this looks a little bit boring, so we're going to fix this. We're going to be adding some pictures. So if we look up at the top, you can add, let's see, I believe it is in Insert. I'm going to click Insert. I'm going to click Photos. Now you could click Camera and you could take a picture, or you might you have to go to the internet and save something to your camera roll. But I'm actually going to insert fireworks. So I already saved these. There's my fireworks. I'm going to move it around. I really love all the fireworks that happen. They're my favorite. All right, and then I'm going to add another picture. Even though I didn't bang pots and pans today, that's something that we used to do as kids, so I'm actually going to put that one on there. I saved some pots and pans. Now, you can decorate this, you can add different things, you can make your slide your own. But remember, for this week, you're going to be doing a title page, 5th grade memory book with your name, and then your first page is Happy New Year 2021. You're going to do traditions and resolution. For your traditions, you need 3 sentences. For your resolution, you only need 1 sentence. And then add some pictures to make it your own. We are going to be sharing this in our morning meetings in small groups on Friday. So each week we're going to be adding a new slide to our memory book, and each week we're going to get to share it in small groups on Fridays. So please make sure that these 2 slides get done this week. And when you are ready, to submit it, you can take a screenshot of each of those slides and submit those pictures on to Otis. There will be an assignment that says memory book slide, whatever slide number it is. So you'll be able to submit that. Please make sure that if you have any questions that you let your teacher know. Happy New Year!